So I had big plans for today. I was going to share some really fun footage. Oh wait, is that mud on my head? Yes, it is. I just got in 3 hours of really good practice with my skid steer. I was practicing getting it unstuck from the mud for 3 hours. It was not as much fun as it sounds like. Well, actually, if you like playing in the mud, and you like playing with the skid steer, it was kind of fun. It wasn't like I lost some productive time. I had plans. Good thing is, I got it stuck. Well, bad thing is I got it stuck. Good thing is I got it unstuck, so that's clear. I got distracted. That's what caused me to get it stuck. But I worked on a new trail, unintentionally. And then finally, I worked on the drainage at the lower part of an access road, so I guess, all in all, I'm on the plus side, depending on how you do math. I went to public school. So you might ask, how did I get myself unstuck? Well, after trying to paddle with the bucket, either pulling myself forward with the bucket all the way down or pushing myself backward with the bucket all the way down, I finally got off my keister and went to the truck to get a chain and a strap. Hooked the chain around one of the teeth of the bucket, hooked the other end of the chain to what's called a tree saver, which is a strap that goes around a tree, and then used the bucket to put tension on the chain to pull me forward. And when I ran out of tension, by positioning the bucket in the upright position, I lifted, which then pulled me out of the mud. Ended up having to do this at least 3 times. 3 is kind of a magic number for me. I was only doing a little grading, taking down a hump here, taking down a hump here. Actually, it started when I brought down a scoop full of dirt, put right there. And then I thought, well, I'll just widen this spot out a little bit. No problem. I'll widen this spot out a little bit. No problem. I'll go down this quasi-trail. Problem. Just perspective from the other direction. How much dirt I ended up moving. How much ruts I ended up creating. For anybody who's ever done off-roading and gotten stuck, rule number 1 is once you start moving, don't stop moving. My intention was to go that way, but it was pointed that way. So when it started moving, I kept it moving. Well, I got it stuck again. And then I kept it moving. I'll speed this part up. You can kind of follow the tire tracks. I determined that was the wrong way to go. I went that way. By the way, this was not the trail I intended to make. The trail I intended to work on was over there. Yeah. There's too many hills and ditches, so I backed up, went this way, which is closer to the direction of the original trail that I intended to clear one day, not today. Since I wasted 3 hours, I thought I would shoot a little video and make it semi-productive. You can tell at this point I was not slowing down. Anyone following along on your handy dandy GPS would have realized that, yes, I was only right there and went around and came out here. Still not to the clear spot that I wanted to access. Clear spot's just much easier to drive out of, even though it too was a little wet. This is where I was free and clear. I carried this tree and that pile of debris for quite a ways. And then I forgot that this spot gets wet too. This is part of the drainage that I kind of sort of quasi had plans to work on eventually, not today. By the way, throttle up, both sticks forward, don't stop. And then our road where the adventure ends for today. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.
Too many hobbies, not enough time.
It's a theme song, y'all.